How are you, friends? Welcome back. Today there is a fourth part of potable water system videos in which we will practically draw a potable water system. I have started the method of making potable water system in Revit. I have divided the videos of potable water system in 5 parts. In the first part, I told you how to create a model and how to make a pipe type and system type in potable water system. The second video was about the pipe segment and the pipe size catalog. In the third video, we learned to make pipe routing preferences. Today, in the fourth video, we will draw a potable water system practically. And in the next fifth part, we will talk about different types of pipe tags. What kind of pipe tags are required in different stages of submissions and how to add parameter in these tags. You will also find links to all these videos in the description below. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. New friends can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Don't forget to like and share. So, let's start talking about the fourth part of drawing the potable water system. Friends who have not practiced the previous parts should practice it first. These links are given in the description below. Open the model of the rest of part 3, routing preferences, from where we slept and winded it. We need an architectural toilet to draw a potable water system. If I choose a project toilet, you would not have that model. It will not be good. Why don't we draw a small toilet together, then draw a potable water system? It's a good idea. So let's create a new project in the File tab. Select the architectural template file. A new architectural project is ready now. Save it at any location with the name of architecture. Select Wall tool from the Architecture tab and enter wall height 2500 mm. Draw a toilet of 3000 by 3000 mm. Select a door from Architectural tab and place it on the wall. Select the Plumbing Fixture tool in the System tab for the plumbing fixtures. There are no plumbing fixture loaded in this model. That's why the message of no plumbing fixtures family loaded in the project was displayed. Select Yes to load the plumbing fixtures. Since our project is in Miller, so access US metric folder in the libraries. Access the plumbing folder of the same category for plumbing fixtures. Select the fixture folder in MEP folder, and in the water closet select the flush tank and place the water closet. Press the space bar before the mouse click to correct the rotation of the plumbing fixture family. Pressing the space bar once rotates the object at 90 degrees. Press the space bar twice to rotate object at 180 degrees. Place the water closet with the mouse click. We also need a lavatory. This is also a plumbing fixture, so access the plumbing fixture in the System tab again. Now, no plumbing fixture family loaded in the project message not displayed. Because we already have a family water closet of plumbing fixture category, but we need lavatory. If lavatory family is already loaded in this project, then we can change it from properties type selector and can place it in the project. But since this family is not loaded in this project, so we will go to load family and load it from library. We load the lavatory wall mounted family and place it in this project. We also needs a hand shower. Loads the hand shower family in the same way. The elevation of hand shower from level is 300. We set it in the properties. You will find hand shower family on internet. You can also use a Bibcock family for practice on the spot. Let's close this architectural model after save. Plumbing model have system now, so delete these pipes and load the architectural model. To do this, select the Manage Links tool in the Manage tab and add Architectural Revit Model from Revit section. Open it and press OK. For best practice, select this model and pin it. This will not move the architectural model and logged to its coordinates. Copy these plumbing fixtures for water connections first in this model. To do this, select the Copy Monitor tool in the Collaborate tab. Because we have to copy the plumbing fixtures and these are linked from the architectural file. So we will choose Select Link tool. The Copy Monitor dialog box is open on the upper left side. We will select Copy tool. We want to copy more than one object, which includes water closet, lavatory, and hand shower. So we will check multiple box. Now press the Control button and select these three objects. First, select the Copy Monitor Finish button in the Options bar. Then select the Finish button in the Copy Monitor tab. If you don't press the Finish button in the Options bar first and select the Finish button in the Copy Monitor tab, then the plumbing fixtures will not be copied. Now the plumbing fixtures have been copied. Select Water Closet. The 100 mm out connector is its sanitary pipe connector, and there is a 15 mm cold water connector for filling the tank. Whatever pipe we draw, the pipe system is automatically set to the pipe tool. So first, draw a pipe on an empty space and see what the pipe type and piping system is set on and what we have required. Cold water is required for filling the tank, so right click on the connector and select Draw Pipe tool. The connector size is 15 mm and the minimum pipe size we have in size catalog is 20 mm. Therefore, a 20 mm pipe will be placed automatically and a reducer with fixture connector will be fitted. Take this pipe to the wall and lift it up 2300 mm. For this, in the options bar, give the middle elevation 2300 mm. Potable water pipe is a pressure line, so it does not have slope. Keeps the slope off. We will do the same procedure with hand shower. Due to the settings of these routing preferences, fittings will be created automatically. Set the main pipe size of water closet and hand shower 25 mm. Now we will do the same procedure with lavatory. There is a cold water connection on right side and hot water connection on left side of lavatory. Therefore, by selecting lavatory, we will draw a cold water pipe on the right side. and we will draw hot water pipe on the left side. Previously, cold water pipe were drawn, so the pipe memory is automatically set on the cold water system. To draw hot water, first draw a hot water supply pipe and then draw the system with the fixture. Set its elevation on 2400 mm so that the two pipes do not intersect. Select the system and watch the 3D view from Selection Box tool. Set the view style as per your choice. Cold and hot water pipes are connected in lavatory. There is a pipe connector for filling the water closet tank, and a pipe is also placed for hand shower. You can also watch this view by long pressing Shift key and with the mouse middle button. This is a little system we draw. Hope you understand. Save this project. In the next, fifth and last video, we will talk about different types of pipe tags and their parameters. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.